Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever wondered why we experience day and night? Well, buckle up because I'm about to take you on a cosmic journey to unravel this fascinating phenomenon. First things first, let's talk about our star player, the Sun. The Sun is at the center of our solar system, and it's the main source of light and energy for Earth. Now, Earth isn't just sitting still in space, it's spinning like a top, and this spinning action is a crucial part of why we have day and night. Imagine a globe on your desk. When you spin it, different parts of the globe face towards you and away from you. Similarly, as Earth rotates on its axis, different parts of the planet face towards the Sun and away from it. This rotation takes about 24 hours to complete, giving us one full day. The side of Earth that faces the Sun gets bathed in sunlight, and that's what we call daytime. Meanwhile, the side that's turned away from the Sun is in shadow, and we experience nighttime. Pretty straightforward, right? But there's more to it. Earth's axis isn't upright. It's tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is responsible for the changing lengths of days and nights throughout the year, and for our seasons. When the North Pole is tilted towards the Sun, the Northern Hemisphere experiences longer days and shorter nights, which we call summer. Conversely, when it's tilted away, we get longer nights and shorter days. That's winter. But what about places near the poles? They experience extreme variations. For instance, during summer in the Arctic Circle, the sun doesn't set for weeks, a phenomenon known as the midnight sun. Conversely, in winter, they can go without sunlight for an extended period, known as the polar night. So, while Earth's rotation gives us the regular cycle of day and night, the tilt of its axis adds a seasonal twist to it. Together, these movements create the beautiful rhythm of time we experience every day. And there you have it, folks, the science behind why we experience day and night. Next time you watch a sunset or wake up to a sunrise, remember this cosmic dance that's happening every single day. If you enjoyed this little journey through space and time, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more curious content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.